Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a straight waistband. So this straight waistband is for a pair of shorts, but they have a side zip. But I will leave a link down below to a PDF which I'll actually show you how to alter this so that you can make it a front zip or a back zip. Okay, so let's get started. So using a ruler, you're going to want to draw a long straight line and then mark in a starting point. So for the waistband, you're going to need a pattern of an item that you want to add the waistband to. So I'm using a pair of shorts. So what I'm going to do is measure the width of the front waist and then take away the measurements of the dart, because the darts are going to be closed when you're adding the waistband on. So from the starting point that you marked in, you're going to measure the waist width and then mark this point. So from the new point that you're after marking in, you're going to measure the same width across again and then also mark this point. So taking the back of the pattern, you're going to measure the waist again, and again you're going to remove the dart width measurement because they're going to be closed. Go back to your last point that you marked in and then measure across the back width twice, exactly like the way you did it for the front. Okay, so now you're going to want to choose the width of your waistband. I went with 5 centimeters. So from the straight line, you're going to measure down the width that you've chosen and then mark in all these points and then draw a straight line. Okay, so once you've that done, go back to the straight line and this time you're going to measure upwards. So mark in all those points and then draw in a straight line with a ruler. So that straight line that's in the middle is actually called your fold line. So when you cut this out, you're going to fold over the waistband so that the waistband is double-sided. So lastly now, all you need to do is fill in all your pattern information, and then if you want to go ahead and make a solid block. And that is simply how you make a straight waistband. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys!